Are you tired of struggling on Fiverr and Upwork, competing against thousands of freelancers for pennies? What if I told you there are brand new freelance platforms in 2025 that are not saturated, pay beginners well, and even work smoothly for Nigerians without PayPal headaches? In today's video, I'll show you 3 legit freelance websites that are still fresh, have global opportunities, and are perfect if you're just starting out. Stick with me to the end. I'll also share pro tips to increase your chances of landing your first client fast. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a like so you don't miss any of my legit online earning updates. First on the list is Hamzry, a platform built specifically for Nigerian freelancers. It was launched to bridge the gap between global clients and local talent. Here's what makes Hamzry stand out. It's not yet overcrowded competition, it's still low compared to Fiverr or Upwork. It accepts a wide range of skills: writing, graphic design, web development, voiceovers, video editing, and even business support services. Payments are made directly to Nigerian bank accounts, meaning no more worrying about PayPal restrictions. To get started, sign up on Hamzry's website, create a strong profile, and upload a professional portfolio. The best part? Because it's still an emerging platform, early adopters have a higher chance of visibility. Pro tip: pick one niche, such as social media design or SEO blog writing, and showcase just a few top samples. This makes you look specialized, which clients love. Second, we have WritersGig, a freelance platform tailored for writers and content creators. Here's why it works for beginners. It's simple to sign up and start bidding for gigs. Most clients are looking for blog posts, SEO articles, product descriptions, or academic-related content. Unlike Fiverr or Upwork, where new writers barely get noticed, WritersGig is smaller and more beginner-friendly. Payments can be made locally, and Nigerian writers have reported being able to cash out without PayPal struggles. If you want to succeed here, focus on short but high-quality samples around 500 words showcasing your style in niches like tech, lifestyle, or business. Clients often test beginners with small tasks, so being concise and clear can help you land repeat orders quickly. Pro tip: don't apply for every gig. Target the ones that match your strongest skills to build a reputation faster. Finally, let's talk about Contra, a growing global freelance platform that has been trending in 2025. Unlike traditional platforms that take huge cuts from your earnings, Contra lets freelancers keep 100% of their income. Here's why Contra is different. It's designed for independent professionals who want flexibility without fees. You can build a free, portfolio-style profile that looks like a mini website, making it easier to showcase your services. Clients from the US, UK, Europe, and beyond actively use Contra, and payments are processed globally through Stripe and Payoneer, so Nigerians can withdraw earnings without issues. The platform supports categories like marketing, design, writing, development, and consulting. Because Contra is still new, compared to Fiverr, it's less crowded, giving you more chances to stand out. Pro tip: optimize your profile with specific service titles like social media strategy for startups or landing page copywriting. This helps clients searching within Contra to find you faster. Here are some tips to maximize success on any of these platforms. Create a professional profile picture and bio, even for a faceless profile. Use a clean logo or graphic. Upload at least 2 to 3 strong portfolio samples. Respond quickly to messages. Speed builds trust. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more legit online income guides, and share this with a friend who wants to start freelancing in 2025. See you in the next video, and happy freelancing!